Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We're live right here, right there
live.
now. Right there now, we're live. Hey, folks, Jimbo, I'm right here coming at you. Sunday, we're watching a football game. My brother Tommy.
How you doing, bud?
Go Steelers. Thought we just pop in and say howdy.
Who's winning? Do we know who's winning the Steelers game right
Pittsburgh Steelers are up. They're up.
Mm-hmm.
They're up 9 to 10. Halftime.
One person is watching. Like those, reach out, shout out to one
Oh,
guy
yeah.
there.
Shout out to
your fan. Your fan is there.
Oh, there's 10.
Just
14. I don't even know how this works. I don't know how this.
Who do you guys want to win? It's Vikings with the Steelers. Tom Brady. He plays.
No, Vikings ain't playing Steelers.
Buccaneers.
Yeah, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Tom Brady against the Pittsburgh Steelers. Who's going to win the game? That's the question. I got to raise my glasses up
so you can read.
So I can read.
It just says
Kent Warner, Scott Ellis, Enzies, got Shelton, Debbie Shelton.
Debbie Shelton.
Oh, hey, Scott.
Yeah, a lot of gay kids are.
Go Bills. We're not playing the Bills, kids. It's the Steelers versus, what we say? Buccaneers.
Tom Brady.
Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Steelers.
Don't show that.
You can't show me drinking a beer?
Probably not. I don't know.
Just because you quit drinking don't mean I have.
Well, maybe they don't want to see it. Someone out there can get off camera.
Right here. All right, we're gonna cut away from me for a second. No one saw that yet. We're just here.
So in the comments, who's going to win the Buccaneers playing the Pittsburgh Steelers? We'll wait.
Okay.
We'll wait till the end of the game.
Let's go Steelers.
You can wait till the final outcome.
Beer good.
Beer good people.
Beer good fit. Good F it.
Oh.
I think it's a cuss word.
Yeah, I think it's a curse. It's family entertainment.
Cartoon cussing right there. It's cartoon cussing.
Want to watch a cartoon cursing? This is definitely family entertainment, and Jim does not want to lose his page again.
Yeah, again, I've lost my page so many times. Just you think I'm Emery King or something? I mean, I keep it all PG.
Tom, I got a new page. Everybody got canceled.
Yeah.
Tom, I got a new page. I want to give you a shout out.
Nope, got canceled.
Got canceled. Never mind. Talk to you later.
All right, Kevin Shelton said, "Go Bucks." Kevin, you are now blocked. There you go. Choke it, Kevin.
See you later, Sean. For liking the wrong team.
No, we are not that kind of fan. We're not that kind of fan, eh?
We're definitely that kind of fan.
Okay, we're actually that kind of fan. The hell with the Buccaneers.
Yeah.
And Tom Brady, eh?
Tom Brady's 68 years old today. His birthday.
168 years.
Tom Brady, 168.
It was fast years.
Fast, that's football years.
Well, we got you here, guys. I want to talk about something very important and dear to my heart. If you haven't seen some of my videos, I'll tell you what the corruption of the American way is chicken wing.
Chicken wing.
Chicken wing is taking America down to the knees.
Jim just bought me $3 wings. 10 wings, $30.
That's, you went plural. $3 wing. Not wings. $3 wing.
But I got like 30. I got 10 of them.
Well, yeah, it cost me $30.
That's plural. Wings.
Swings, wings.
No S.
I'm just telling you right now, the chicken wing.
I don't like it in price. I don't like what it's
Oh my God. How much we pay for that stuff? They break them in half. You don't even get a full chicken wing. It's a half a chicken wing. Half a chicken wing. What's all those hearts joined up there for? He's not even drinking. I'm the one that's drinking. That's what's funny about that. All right, kids. We're gonna bounce out. We want to say hey.
Say hello in the comments. Who's gonna win? Steelers or the Buccaneers?
Steelers, Buccaneers, or just comment your favorite football team.
Yeah.
Just give us who's your favorite. Who you following? Who do you want to win? Who do you think's gonna win the Super Bowl?
The more you give, more Jesus will love you.
That's exactly it. For a cost of a cup of coffee a day, you can support a football team. These poor bastards need money. They're barely making a yacht payment.
I can't live on that. How do you even pay for gas?
How do you make a yacht payment? You can't really do it.
You can't do that stuff, kid. You're right. Absolutely.
Just saying. These poor NFL players need some help.
See you guys.
Later.